My name is Jamie Powell, and for our math project, I decided to choose the topic of what is the architecture behind the Eiffel Tower. I decided to do my project on this topic because I've always been interested in the Eiffel Tower, and this past September I had the opportunity to go to Europe with school to visit the Eiffel Tower, and I've always wondered how such a large structure like the Eiffel Tower was built. So by choosing this topic, it gave me the opportunity to learn how long it took to build the Eiffel Tower, how it was built, and also what the math was behind it, because math is everywhere. So first I'm just going to explain a bit about the Eiffel Tower. So the Eiffel Tower is located in the Champ de Mars in Paris, France. The Eiffel Tower is one of the world's most known structures, just like the Leaning Tower of Pisa or the Empire State Building. The tower was originally built in 1889 by Gustave Eiffel, and it was named after him because his company is the one who funded building the Eiffel Tower. The company, not the company, whoops, sorry about that. The tower has 3 main levels, and on the levels there are restaurants and little gift shops located on the floors, and you can take the stairs or elevator to get to the 3 levels. And in all, the tower measures 324 meters in height. So Gustave Eiffel was the owner of the company who built the Eiffel Tower, and he was born on December 15th, 1832, and passed away December 27th, 1923. And it's not the only structure that he built. He also built the Statue of Liberty and many other well-known buildings. So the goal of my project was to learn the math behind the Eiffel Tower and also to see how long it took to build the Eiffel Tower. And my research question was also, what is the math behind the Eiffel Tower? So after doing my research, I found that the main math used in the architecture of the Eiffel Tower is geometry, because there are many shapes in the Eiffel Tower. The main structure, the Eiffel Tower, is a 4-sided pyramid, and in the base of the pyramid are 4 semi-large circles, one on each side of the tower. And in the Eiffel Tower itself, there are many different triangles and parallelograms, and also the railings of the Eiffel Tower are perfect rectangles. Also, while making the Eiffel Tower, Gustave Eiffel noticed that wind would be one of the main problems for the Eiffel Tower because it's so large. So he hired many mathematicians to create formulas to prevent wind from destroying the tower. And after all mathematical calculations, they came up with the tower can only maintain a pressure of 4 kilonewtons per meter squared of wind. And over here is the formula that explains the wind resistance. The tower has While Gustave Eiffel was drawing out the Eiffel Tower, his sketches included axes and parabolas, because he drew it in a manner, which is over here if you want to look. He drew it so that the tower had 2 parabolas with a vertical axis dividing the 2 of them. And so that it was 2 equal columns, and those columns were called parabolas. And that's pretty much my project. So there was a formula, a quadratic equation, and geometry. And that's my project. Thank you.